20 uses of ChatGPT that you must try at least once. Welcome to this presentation on the 20 uses of ChatGPT. ChatGPT is a versatile AI tool that supports creative, practical, and professional tasks. Let's explore how it can make life and work easier. First, ChatGPT can simplify podcast workflows. It can transcribe, summarize, and repurpose podcasts quickly. Next, it can turn videos into other content formats, like blogs, social clips, and highlights for social media. And it can also capture and transcribe meeting recordings from platforms like Zoom or Google Meet. ChatGPT helps extend coaching sessions by generating shareable insights and actionable notes. It can transform meeting notes into sales content, such as pitches and proposals. And it generates summaries and research briefs from lengthy recordings or documents. ChatGPT can act as a creative writing partner, helping brainstorm stories, characters, and even choose your own adventure plots. It allows users to design text-based adventure games without coding. And it makes language learning fun by simulating conversations, translations, and cultural scenarios. It can also be a songwriting and poetry partner, helping generate rhyme schemes, lyrics, and metaphors. You can create personalized trivia quizzes with multiple choice questions and even humorous wrong answers. And you can enjoy brain teasers and riddles, from logic puzzles to word games. ChatGPT makes learning fun by breaking down complex topics, offering examples, and creating practice exercises. It amplifies social media presence by suggesting creative posts, hashtags, and captions. And for entertainment, it can provide light-hearted comedic roasts. ChatGPT can plan events and trips, from parties to travel itineraries, complete with checklists and themes. With tools like Cast Magic, it can remix audio and video content into skits, crossovers, or quizzes. It also supports writing new content across blogs, articles, and creative formats. On the professional side, ChatGPT assists with coding and debugging, making programming easier to learn and apply. And finally, it can summarize long content, whether it's articles, podcasts, or research papers, into concise, useful takeaways. In summary, ChatGPT can be a coach, writer, assistant, teacher, and entertainer. Whether for personal growth, business productivity, or creative expression, its applications are nearly endless. Thank you for watching this presentation on the 20 uses of ChatGPT.